Hello and welcome to Golden Lure Woodland Farm. I'm Keith. It is October 24th, absolutely gorgeous day. Not a cloud in the sky, it's about 70 degrees. Last week it was cold and rainy, but this week is beautiful. So we're going to take this opportunity to sort of clean out these remaining plants in the garden and get ready to plant some garlic. So this will be our first time planting garlic in the fall, which is when you're supposed to do that. So our plan here is to we're gonna take up these tomatoes. There's some peppers back here, and then we had squash, acorn squash back in the corner, and we're gonna take back this geotextile fabric for part of this and put the garlic in starting back in that corner. Not quite sure how much of this we're going to need, but I think we have 2 pounds. I think maybe we have 2 pounds of garlic to put in here, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, we cleaned up those tomato plants and the peppers and stuff, and we peeled back this geotextile. And what we're going to do is down here at the end, make some rows across here to plant our garlic. So one of the things we're going to try to do, we bought 3 pounds of like wildflower mix seeds, and we want to start sort of trying to do a meadow, wildflower meadow. So we're going to try to do it a smaller section. So right here in front of the barn, and the whole original goal is to do sort of this whole space back and forth across that barn. But that's too much for us to try to tackle right now. So what we're going to try to do right now is to just do a section right here. So I'm going to there's firewood under this, and then there's a fire ring kind of over here you can't really see in the grass. We're going to clean that up, and I'm going to try to strip these weeds and stuff off of this. It's really not dirt. I mean, it's not soil, it's dirt. And then this pile right here is a pile of topsoil. So I'm going to try to scrape off a lot of the weeds on the top of there to get down to just the dirt or the soil, and then spread some in here into this area here, and then maybe put some of the wildflower meadow seeds in here in the next couple days. This is Tuesday. It's supposed to be beautiful through the end of the week, and then get colder and rainy. So I'm going to start working on that right now. Use the grapple, the teeth on the grapple, to scrape through here and try to dig up some of this grass, kind of bring it over to the side, and also loosen up this top layer. A lot of this is just, it's rocky kind of subsoil. And just gravel. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to scoop some of this stuff out of here, and then take this pile, some of this pile of topsoil, and spread it over here. There's still topsoil here. This was not scraped off for the building site, but up here, leading up to where the barn was built, they scraped the topsoil off, and then they put a lot of fill in over here in order to level that off. I mean, down here at the corner, I think there's 5 or 6 feet of fill in order to make this a nice level pad. So, and then we've got a septic tank here. So anyway, use the grapple, the teeth on the grapple, to scrape through here, loosen it up, and like I said, kind of pulled out a bunch of the weeds and stuff and pushed them around. But now I'm going to scoop out that loose stuff, and then we'll work on spreading some of that topsoil. We're back here working in our wildflower meadow. Got this, got the weeds and stuff scraped off of here. Tried to get it a little bit more level. Now I'm going to take some of this big pile of topsoil. I'm going to spread that out in here, and then we'll plant it. Then we'll cross our fingers. Hopefully that works. Still have beautiful weather for a few more days. It's like 70 degrees today. A week from now it's supposed to be high in the 40s, low 40s, lows in the 20s. So we're at that time of year where weather changes quick. Okay, we have our plot ready. Scraped the subsoil and the weeds out of it, and then I shaved off some of that soil or that dirt, and then moved some of this this big pile of topsoil that came out to here. Spread that out throughout here, and now we're going to broadcast some of this wildflower meadow mix from Ernst Seeds, and hopefully next spring year we'll have the beginning of a meadow. So this is from Ernst Seeds. It's supposed to be a deer resistant meadow mix, and gives you all the breakdown of all the different native plants. These are all native flowers for our area, and the percentage. You can see as you come down here, they're almost all from Pennsylvania. There's something from Minnesota, Oregon, and Idaho, I guess, but the rest of these are all native plants from our area. The black-eyed Susan are the thing from Idaho, and Coreopsis from Oregon.